What is going on, guys? Car Guy V8 here, and in this video I'm happy to report that the Joker is back on the streets with AFR headed small block power. Yes, it's got its old 355 back in it. I fixed all the oil pressure issues, which I'll address those in an entirely different video, but it's fixed. It's got a different, quieter exhaust system, and it sounds so much better. I don't have to wear earplugs when driving it anymore. I've got Flowmaster Super 44s on it, so a very deep, aggressive idle, but a little subdued once you get on the throttle, so I don't need ear protection, and that's a plus. Now, the Joker is my 1978 Camaro Type LT, and at one point it was a dedicated drag car, and when I got it, it had all its interior out of it. It had all of its wiring stripped. It was basically just a shell with an engine and transmission. I pulled that stuff out, threw my setups in there, got it back on the streets. It's still got its 456 gears in the rear, turbo 400 transmission, and a pretty healthy stall converter. The engine is a 9.63 to 1 355. You know, it's got flat tops, of course, 64cc AFR enforcer heads, and an XR 282 cam, and some other stuff. I'm not going to mention the entire engine build-up. But it's got Hedman headers, good sounding exhaust, and it's a rowdy car. You know, basically full weight reducted minus fiberglass panels. It doesn't have any body panels that are fiberglass. So it's just a stock bodied car with a lot of weight pulled out. I mean, quite a bit. Feels good on the streets. Quite a bit of fun, and I'm going to show you some clips I've taken over the last few days. There'll be no talking in them, just straight up driving. And guys, I'm so happy that it's back. It feels better than I remembered, and that may just be because of the anemic setup that I put in it before the last video. Go check it out. I pulled out the old 305 that I had in there for a little while. That video is worth watching, so go watch that. And let's check out these clips I've taken in the last few days and put those headphones in because it sounds really good. But a couple of the videos are before I had the idle mixture screws all dialed in and all that stuff. So a couple of them, it's idling a little higher than it does at this moment. Some of them, it's idling okay, but you'll see. Watch those clips. This thing's an absolute monster on the streets. Tons of fun.